I think I found the silver bullet that 3D printing needed to take down Games Workshop. Now, how's that for an opening hook? Well, let me break it down for you. Listen, everyone knows that Games Workshop is still a juggernaut in this business.
I'm the juggernaut, bitch!
Their IP spans across way more than just little plastic soldiers, but it is those little plastic soldiers that is the lifeblood of the business. Now, what pisses me off most about GW is their paywall, man. Their paywall just keeps so many people out of this hobby, so many young kids, and so many of the next level of gamers. It's just really expensive to get into. This is one of the biggest reasons I got so heavily involved in 3D printing miniatures. It's just so cost effective. And over the past 5 years or so, I've noticed the technology explode in the 3D printing world. Not only can you print insanely detailed, high quality miniatures now that not only matches, but sometimes surpasses Games Workshop, there's been an absolute explosion in creators and artists out there who's 3D sculpting and creating these miniature files. It's just madness what's out there and available right now. Man, there's even some games that's 100% 3D printed and it spans across all genres. And this silver bullet that I'm going to talk about is going to heavily involve those indie creators. So if you're one and you're out there listening, stick around for this. Now, just like Netflix helped to kill Blockbuster, I believe that unless GW embraces 3D printing and STL files for their miniatures, it's eventually going to get taken out too. The writing's on the wall there. Hell, $500 invested into 3D printing will get you a 3D printer and all the gear needed, along with an army 10 times the size of $500 worth of GW plastics, and leave you with the means to manufacture another army whenever you want. Finding the right type of printable mini was hard in the past, but this is no longer the case as it's getting easier and easier to find the mini that you need, and sites like MyMiniFactory is rising to the very top of places where you can go to look for those types of files. And that is important because MyMiniFactory is going to be the gun that silver bullet is fired from. Not only has MyMiniFactory been around since 2013, they have tens of thousands of STL files on their site. They even have features like the Tribes feature, which connects the creators directly to the community and even organizes and manages all the files and subscriptions for everyone involved, and their Frontiers feature, which helps get the creators new creations directly to the community. These are really leading edge things that makes finding that right file or creator super simple. Still, there is a wall that's holding 3D printing back, and that's getting an actual 3D printer and supplies and having the space to set it up. And most importantly, the desire to learn an entirely new set of skills. Because make no mistake, 3D printing is a hobby all on its own. So, this is where that silver bullet comes in. And that silver bullet is called OnlyFans. What? Sorry, I mean Only Games. Couldn't help it, I had to stick that one in there. So, what is Only Games? OnlyGames.co was created to facilitate the physical manufacturing and distribution of digital game aids to the tens of millions of tabletop game fans out there who don't have the privilege or the access to their own 3D printer. Hundreds of indie designers have now used OnlyGames.co to manufacture and distribute over 100,000 physical tabletop models to their customers worldwide. OnlyGames.co now has 10,000 plus items in its library and manufactures thousands of miniatures a day, in-house in the UK. Following its acquisition by MyMiniFactory in May 2022, OnlyGames.co is now also able to offer high-quality, full-color manufacturing, produced on demand and distributed worldwide with a lead time of under 5 days from order to complete production. So there it is, Only Games does two things that I feel is going to revolutionize the 3D printing community, where the combination of creators and hobbyists are going to be able to take down companies like Games Workshop that are just not evolving with the times and technology. One, it removes the wall of not owning a 3D printer. So if you find an amazing printable file for whatever game you're into, just simply buy it and it's going to show up at your door. And not only that, but now you have one place to go to look and search for all kinds of miniatures for whatever you're into. And two, if you are a small, medium, or maybe even a larger creator, the combination of MyMiniFactory and Only Games is going to allow you to build a following, create a community, and even manufacture and sell physical copies of your miniatures where you make a commission on every single miniature sold. This will remove so much of the struggle and work for creators that can hold them back, and will allow them to forge a career that was probably just a pipe dream in the past. I mean, after all, Games Workshop only has so many sculptors on staff, right? Now, OnlyGames.co have only been on the go for about a year or so, but they have already been chosen by over 1,000 indie creators and have produced and shipped and manufactured over 100,000 tabletop models all over the world. Only Games gives indie designers the power to compete with industry juggernauts like Games Workshop in offering high quality tabletop miniatures by removing the need of their own manufacturing facility, which I think is really cool. An indie designer creates the 3D printable design for a model and uploads the design for free to their Only Games store. Then, when a customer chooses to buy the physical version of their design, Only Game manufactures a high-quality physical model on demand and quickly ships it anywhere in the world. As of September 2022, Only Games can now offer high-quality, full-color manufacturing for indie 3D creators that design and color. Only Games has a lead time of under 5 days from order to complete production, which is pretty impressive. Designers can choose to customize their packaging to build their brand continuity and further tell the story of their creations even in their packaging. And get this, okay, this is the best part. If you're a creator or even if you really like to support the creators retains 90% of the commission sold on the miniatures minus a manufacturing fee, which I think is just absolutely phenomenal and really helps support that creator, which, you know, I think is really important. I'm not gonna lie guys, I really didn't know a whole lot about Only Games until they sent me an email and asked if I wanted to do a video for them. So I kind of went away and did a little bit of research, and I gotta say what I found I was super excited about, and I was pumped and I couldn't wait to make this video. I think it's amazing how they help all those indie creators out there by helping them build a community and remove all the barriers to physically making the miniatures and models. They get such a big commission out of it at the end of the day, like 90%. I think that that's amazing, and it's going to open the door for so many aspiring artists out there, it's not even funny. Also, for the people out there who don't own 3D printers, but see these amazing printable miniatures out there and just don't have access to them, for them to be able to go onto a site now and just pick it and get it printed and sent to them, I think that's going to just blow the doors off of all these amazing miniatures that are out there, and it's really going to put pressure on companies like Games Workshop who are just not offering STL files. And people are going to find stuff that they really like, and now they don't even need a 3D printer. They'll just order it up and send it to them. Or maybe they'll get their own 3D printer and just subscribe to these creators and print even more miniatures. At the end of the day, it's just another amazing tool for the 3D printing community that's really going to help them put the pressure on these big companies to kind of get on board with this new technology. Now, all that being said, at the end of the day, what really matters here is whether or not these miniatures are any good. So, I also asked them to go ahead and send me some miniatures at random, and I have them here, and I really didn't take a look at them yet. I just kind of popped open the box and said, oh, that's the miniatures that I was waiting for. So what I want to do here now is take them out and take a look at them and give you guys a bit of a review here. I want to concentrate on packaging that they were shipped in, packaging that the miniatures comes in, and print quality of the miniatures. I want to make sure that the resin is cured properly, the detail is there, and the value is there. Now, I haven't really seen these yet, so if they suck, it's going to make the whole first half of this video super awkward, but I kind of wanted to get my first initial reactions here on camera. After that, I do want to hop onto their website and order a miniature myself and just kind of walk through that process and see how user-friendly that is. So guys, let's get them out of here. But before we do that, guys, let me tell you how you could actually win a 3D printer of your very own. I've got some exciting news, and I want to tell you how you can win a free FDM 3D printer. LV427 Designs has come on board as the official sponsor for facility D20. And right now, they're giving away a 3D printer of your choice valued up to $400. All you gotta do is head on over to their website and download the totally free file, Corridor Last Stand. Even I just downloaded the Corridor Last Stand, and it's fresh off the printer. And while you're there, make sure you check out the Corridor Starter Set, because if you use the code MEMBER, you'll get 50% off of that entire collection. Now, LV427 Designs makes some absolutely amazing interior spaceships and buildings for all sorts of sci-fi games, from Space Hulk to Warhammer 40K, Aliens, Star Trek, Star Wars, Battlestar Galactica. Basically, if you can think it up, you can build it with their STL files. Because that LV427 Designs is an official sponsor, I've got an exclusive code, D20-15. You can use this code to get 15% off of anything in their entire store. I'm going to link everything below in the description. Make sure you head on over and check it out. They got some super cool stuff. So this showed up in a DRL pouch with this little box inside, and inside they had some paper and 2 blister packs for the minis. The blister pack here looks like it has some sort of like wood chippings or wood shavings there. So it looks like I got some sort of fantasy figures here. It's like a paladin, and this looks like a full color one to a wolf maybe. I don't see who the creators are on it, but that's okay. I'm just gonna pop it open here now and take a look at them. So here we are, it's the wolf. First impressions, actually really good. Really good. This is obviously, this is a full color like winter wolf. Very nicely done, very nicely painted. Excellent detail. And let's take a look at this other one. Now, this is an unpainted one. So we just have the resin here. It looks like a mummy. I don't know who the artists are, but I'm gonna go on and find out. When I put them under the close cam, I'm gonna put up who the creators here of these miniatures are, because I really want to give them props. But first impressions here, the detail is really good. The supports have all been cleaned really well. Very smooth, very clean, really nicely cured. Very, very highly detailed. Whatever printers they're using to print these miniatures are better than my current printer, that's for sure. So guys, I really got no complaints about this. I mean, this is really good, high quality stuff here. I think this little winter wolf, he's gonna go in my Hordes army, my Circle army. Gotta get a base up for him. And this little mummy girl, she's gonna end up in one of my D&D campaigns, that's for sure. Now I did notice these particular models didn't come with a base, but on their website, some of these do come with bases, so that's pretty cool. Bases are no big deal, I got tons of them kicking around if I need them. These really are some high quality prints, so I'm fully confident that you can order from Only Games and expect high quality miniatures to show up. Now let's hop onto the website right quick and order some miniatures up myself and see how that process goes. We're gonna jump on here at www.onlygames.co. Take a look at some miniatures. Let's take a look at the Sci-Fi section. Here are some pretty cool orcs. These would definitely be good for 40K. Let's throw them in the cart and go to checkout. Now this is very important, guys. Take a look at this right here. This is a discount code that they were kind enough to supply me with. So if you guys check this out, make sure to use this discount code. I'm gonna link everything below in the description. Well, that was as easy as I figured it was going to be, but you know what? It's really cool to know that there's this new tool out there for indie creators and the community to be able to go and find and print and make these 3D models that you might not be able to if you didn't have a 3D printer. I think that's just going to help the hobby and propel it forward. So guys, I want to take a second here and thank all the Patreons of my channel. You guys rock. You guys are really helping me bring this thing to new levels here, and I'm excited about the future. Make sure you stick around on my channel, check out a few more of these videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.